Something silly. This is how you do it. I'm going to show you how you jump far. Yeah. Oh.
I'm going to try it now.
Ready? Ready, move. Back flip. Ready? Parker off the bed. Oh, here we go. Back flip time. Oh. Back flip. That's my phone.
Phone ringing.
Good job.
Ready? Back flip.
Oh! I did it! I did it!
Guys,
Push it out,
hit me.
That's... Get out. Okay, let's see that. I'll be back. Jump in and kangaroo! Oh!
I think I've got an eyelash in my eye now.
Get out of the way, we're doing parkour, mate. Parkour off this. Hey guys, this is Marcus. What's up? Oh, yeah. Just like to say thank you to all our sponsors. Man down, crap.
For nothing, because we don't even have any sponsors.
So ready, parkour. Get out of the way.
You can see now. Okay.
Ready? One more. Front flip.
Okay, let's do a couple more.
Come on, boys. Let's do this. Ready? Right. Go. Bailey. Front flip. Oh. Belly floor. Ah. No. The 200 kilograms. Backflip. Oh. And pretty.
So guys, that is our parkour fails today. So yeah, see you next time.
Bye.